Hello everyone. I'm laughing out loud because I know it's been a long time that I put up video here, so I'm saying hello, happy new month to every one of you watching this video. I'm saying happy new month to you. Today's video I'm going to be using this hand fan as an improvise for fan because there is no light now, so both the ceiling fan and the AC, none of them is working, so I'm going to be using this to make sure that the heat does not disturb this video. So please and please and please, it's been a long time that I put up a new video here, and so many of you are worried. So many people have actually come inbox to ask me, as in those that are my friends on Facebook, they've actually come to ask me what's happening, what's wrong, why haven't you been putting up content in your YouTube channel, your Facebook, and even on your Instagram and other places that they know me to put this, even on my WhatsApp status. So many of you are worried about what is happening. So in this video I'm going to explain to us what actually happened, why it seems like I have been inconsistent with my videos ever since I did the last video I did last 3 months. So guys, and that is just what this video is all about. I'm going to tell you people why I haven't been putting up videos. But before I proceed, I would like to welcome my new subscribers. The last time I put up a new video, my channel just had about 250 something subscribers, and today I checked it 2 days ago and it was at 220, but today I have 225 subscribers. So what it means is that I have up to 70 new subscribers who haven't seen me put up videos. And if I must tell you something, I'm so overwhelmed and I'm so happy to welcome you all to my channel. You are hearing the voice of Nurse Amara Uzodiwe, a registered nurse midwife practicing in Nigeria. So I use this platform to share a lot of things, my personal life, health wise, beauty, and other things. So if you are new to this channel, in fact if this is the first time you are seeing me put a new video apart from the ones that you've watched before, I wholeheartedly welcome you to my channel. You are highly welcome. And guys, not just only that, I found out that one of my videos, the video that I did on kidney, passed 1,000 views. That's the first time that my videos was passing 1,000 views. I found this out in April, and today guys it is now 2,000 views, and I'm so happy. And so I don't know why the video started just going up and people were watching the videos, and it's just a series that I'm here to complete, because I will still do how to prevent kidney infection, not just the symptoms, and also the possible treatment. So I'm so overwhelmed for all the people that share the videos, for all the people that watch. I'm so happy that the video is getting much more views. So back to our topic today. Today I want to share with us what made it seem as if I have not been consistent in this channel. Guys, the last time I did a video on Opa, that is Bambara Nut, I started feeling somehow after that video. In fact, the day I did that video I wasn't feeling too fine, but after that day, as the day progresses, I noticed that my body needed some rest. I wasn't feeling too fine, I wasn't eating well, I couldn't even do some of the things that I used to do before. I couldn't eat some of the things that I used to eat before. And you know, I talk about health, and I always tell people that the real wealth is your health. So I cannot be unwell and I will just pretend to be doing videos to please people or to do other things externally when I know that myself I'm not feeling fine. So what I did was to make a little pause on my social media life. This applies to my Facebook, my Instagram, and of course this YouTube. I couldn't even do any video. Even when I wanted to do, I didn't have any strength to do those videos, and because of that I have to stop putting up videos. And the ones that I have in my channel, we are just busy growing up. It was just on the 26th of April that I put something on Facebook, and that day was the birthday of my husband. So apart from then, I have not done anything externally on Facebook to show my face or to teach like I used to do. So because I wasn't feeling fine, that was the reason why I took a break. I hope you understand. So for all the people that came inbox, for all the people that are worried, that couldn't know, that do not even know how to reach out to me, please, this video is to tell you that I am okay now. In fact, I lost some weight, but I'm adding back the weight now. I hope I'm not going to add like I used to be before. So but that's just it, nothing spoiled. Though we buried my dad last year, but this year we did the funeral rites and other things, but that was not the major thing that made me not to be consistent in the channel. It's just about my health, because I wanted to be okay. I wanted to come back to myself before I will start doing videos again. So now I'm okay, now I'm better, now I feel like I'm stronger now than before. So that is the reason. So, and that is just the reason, guys, and that's why you've not seen me put up any video. And I want to use also this medium to ask you, how are you doing? How are you doing? Really, I know I don't mean how are you doing and you say fine. How are you doing? Really, I hope you are making progress in your own health, in the way you eat, in the way you do a lot of things. I hope there is a lot of changes in your body. If there is anybody here watching this video and you are sick, I just pray that you regain your health back. And if you're passing through a lot of anything at all and you're watching this video, I just hope you find light at the end. So this is me saying thank you to my new subscribers, and also thank you to my old subscribers who has been there with me. Thank you so much for staying, and I hope to come out more now that I'm stronger. Just follow up. You can watch any of the videos that I've done before. Then if you've not subscribed to this channel and you're watching this video, kindly hit the subscribe button and click the bell by the side so that YouTube will notify you each time I put up a new video. And till then, stay cool, stay safe, stay healthy, smile always, and see you next time. Bye.